Hey everybody, today on The Modern Defender we are back at it with some walking stick self-defense, but today we're going to go on the offense. Sometimes the best defense is a good offense. Stick around. So today on The Modern Defender we're back at our walking stick defensive techniques, but sometimes when you're on the defensive you need to take the offensive. So today what we're going to do is we're going to work on holding our stick a little bit differently. Typically we've been holding it this way for our strikes and our movements, but today we're going to hold it a little bit closer to the bottom. We want to utilize the ability of the walking stick to kind of reach out and touch someone. So our techniques today are going to be very simple. Just like any video that I tell you, practice is key. If you truly want to be proficient with the walking stick, you need to practice, okay? And a walking stick is really just an extension of your ability to defend yourself. So today we're going to work on getting off the line like we do in a lot of our videos where the attack is coming at us. We want to make them adjust to us. So the attack is coming straight, we want to step off to the side or getting off the line. So what we're going to do is we have an approaching aggressive person, okay? So all we're going to do is we're going to get our stick out in front, kind of like a katana, okay? And we're going to step to the outside and strike. You can strike the head, you can strike the neck, you can come down on the collarbone, okay? Or you can come out and strike the leg. The most important thing is that we're striking as we are moving, making the assailant adjust to what we're doing, okay? Not us adjusting to them, putting them in a position where they need to adjust, which gives us an advantage. So again, now the first strike I'm working on is the forehand. Okay, so I'm just stepping to the outside and whacking. Okay, and again, hit them wherever you want. And if you want to repeat this motion, do it. Just remember, as you do it, as you strike, keep stepping and shuffling off the line. Okay, again, making them have to adjust. So that was the forehand strike. Now let's work on the reverse strike, which is we're holding it the same way. We're now just stepping off the line in a different direction, okay? Still a very powerful strike. Not as powerful as the forehand strike when we're striking it across, but still very powerful. And as long as we are adjusting, getting off the line, you can mix these strikes up now. Again, using the length of the walking stick. We're not poking, we're not driving a spearing motion, which from a defensive standpoint, if someone's driving a spear at my face or my head, it's easy to kind of sidestep and get out of the way of that. It's still a very effective and powerful strike, but we typically want to set someone up to land that one first, okay? But today we're not working on that, we're working on just the forehand whack. Remember, stepping off the line and the reverse whack. Now, remember, practice is key. I say this in every single video. Practice is going to give you the ability to ingrain these in your motor memory. So that way you're not thinking about what you need to do, you're just reacting, you're doing it. And one of the things that I like about the forehand and the backhand strike is that you can use them together. So watch. I step off the line and whack. I continue to step off the line to the reverse. Forehand, reverse. And it continue to work around your target. Now yes, this guy's got no arms and he's not aggressively approaching me. But this is how you practice. This is how you get better. Hitting a stationary target. Again, hands up. The target approaches. Off the line. Again, off the line. These are powerful strikes. You know, in the event of a violent encounter, you need to overwhelm your attacker with an amazing amount of force. They are not going to stop attacking you if you just irritate them. You need to let them know that if they continue to attack you, the pain is going to keep coming. So again, you don't want to be nice to these guys. You really want to truly overwhelm them with a lot of force. And I think a lot of folks out there might think that these techniques are violent, Well, you need to be violent to stop a violent person. Hey. And I know, nobody's gonna stand there and just let you swing at them like this. They are gonna try to defend themselves. They're gonna get their hands up. They may pull out another weapon. That is why when we strike, I like to use setup strikes. So if you wanna hit someone in the head, whack them low first, get their hands to drop, then you can come back across with the reverse or with another forward swing to the neck or side of the head. Thanks again for watching this episode of The Modern Defender. Please hit me up in the comments, like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Stay safe out there, everybody.